Ithi power isimemezele ukulungiswa kukagesi okuhleliwe ezihungweni ezihlukeneyo ezihlinzeka ugesi kuleli sonto. Le nkampani ephehla iphakele ugesi ithi-ke kuzoba khona ukuphazamiseka kokuhlinzekwa kukagesi kwesikhashana ezindaweni ezihlukeneyo nangezikhathi ezingafani ngenkathi-ke beqhuba imizamo yokulungisa, ukuqinisa kanye nokuqinisekisa ukuthi amandla okuphakwa kukagesi akhona ngokwanele. Izakhamizi-ke ziyakhunjuzwa ukuthi ugesi uzobuyiswa ngesikhathi okuzobe sekuphothulwe ngaso ukulungiswa kuleyo naleyo ndawo.
City Power is carrying out planned maintenance across several areas this week from the 27th to the 3rd of May as part of our ongoing efforts to strengthen and protect the electricity network. In Midrand, maintenance will take place on the 29th at Noordwijk substation from 9 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the afternoon, which will impact areas such as Curry Street, Poplar Street, and also Tamboti Circle and the surrounding areas. Further work is scheduled on the 30th of April at Rubber Ridge switching station from 9 in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and this will affect Austin View. In Lenesia, maintenance is basically going ahead at El Dorado Park substation on the 30th of April from 8 o'clock until the afternoon at 4 o'clock, which will affect areas including Devland, Freedom Park, El Dorado Park, Town, and also the surrounding area. The planned maintenance is necessary to basically address the wear and tear on the infrastructure, preventing unexpected equipment failures, and also to reduce the risk of prolonged outages. It also allows City Power to improve the stability and reliability of electricity supply across all the network. We apologize to the residents for the inconvenience, but this is necessary, and we do thank customers for their cooperation during this time.